Hello everyone, Denise here. Today I am doing the Paying It Forward Friday for April 2023. This is the stitch worked flat. This is the linked half double crochet stitch. We are going to do a trio of cloths, calling it the Cottage Trio Cloth set, and you can make it all in one color or you can make it in 3 different colors like I'm going to do. Let's get started. So the materials you will need for the washcloth, dishcloth, spa cloth, whatever cloth you want to call it, is some cotton yarn. I'm using I Love This Cotton, and a hook to match. The hook I am using should be an eye hook. I have a hybrid here, and using it I rubbed off what it was, so I'm gonna check. This is from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna check to see if it's a 5.5. So it's too big for the 5. Can you see that? So it fits into the 5.5. So it is an eye hook. That's how you use this for crochet hooks, and then you can use this for your knitting needles. This was $1 on clearance at Hobby Lobby. So I have an eye hook. I have I Love This Cotton. This is awesome yarn. This is my favorite cotton. This is Sage, the color Sage. This is 180 yards, 165 meters, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, calls for a USI 9 or a 5.5 mm. That is what I have. This is a Hobby Lobby yarn. It is really soft. If you have ever seen the Walmart brand, the Mainstays cotton, it's, I think, identical to this yarn. It is super, super duper similar. I can grab some and compare them. So let me grab one real quick. This is the Mainstays yarn. It has the same exact specs. 165 meters, 180 yards, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. 100% cotton. They are both made in Turkey. They are both a medium weight 4. This is soft silver. But if you want to take a gander at them side by side, they're like spun the same and everything. Feel wise, identical. like I'm pretty sure it's the same yarn. And if not, it's so close that if you pick up some of this at your Walmart and you have the I Love This Cotton, then you can mix and match them. If you live where you can't get Hobby Lobby items, this is pretty much it. So I am going to use the Sage because I bought this just for this tutorial. I bought 3 different colors. Sage is the lightest of the 3 and the easiest to see, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. So when I said this is a hybrid, this is a Yarnology hook handle, and I took the Clovers out of their handle, took the Yarnology hook out of this sleeve, and I put the Clover in here because I love Clover more. So you start with a slip knot, and you can work any stitch count that you like. So make your cloth as wide as you like or as small as you like. Going to chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I'm going to do 25. When you get to whatever length that you want, go ahead and just add 1. Okay, so now we're going to start the linked half double crochet stitch. You start in the 2nd chain from the hook, you go in, pull up a loop, go into the next chain, go in and pull up a loop. Now you will yarn over and go through all 3. Now we are going to work into the same stitch. We're linking the stitches together. So we're going to go into the second bar here, pull up a loop, go into the next foundation chain. You can see you already worked in this one. So go into the next one that's not worked in, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all three. You can repeat that. Second bar, go in, pull up a loop, next chain, go in, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through all 3. Second bar, go in, pull up a loop, next chain, go in, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through all 3. That is a linked half double crochet. We are going to do that all the way across this row, and then I will meet back up with you to let you know how to proceed each and every row after this one to create our cloth. So I will be right back with you at the end of this row. Alright, so at the end of your row 1, you will chain 2, and this is every single row now from here on out. Turn your work, go into the second loop from your hook, pull up a chain, go into the same stitch that you began with, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all 3, and then second bar, pull up a loop, next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through all 3. And that is what you're going to do for each and every row until you get to the length of your washcloth that you'd like. I will show you how to see if your washcloth is a complete square once I get to that row in my work. It's a very easy way to see if your washcloth is a square. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to work up my washcloth in the linked half double crochet, get to the length that I think is about a square, and then I will check it and show you how I do that in just a minute. So I'll see you in just a moment. Okay, so I think I'm about square size. Looking at it, just eyeballing it, it looks like it's a square to me. So the way I measure to see if something is a square that I have made, I take one corner and I fold it up to this corner, and if it is perfect on both sides, it's a square. And it is not. You can see it is not. Okay, so we are a square now. I just did one more row. I'm not going to put an edging on this cloth. I think it is gorgeous. I like the simplistic edges without them being perfect. I think it makes it the cottagey type cloth that it's named after. So I'm not going to put an edge on it. If you would like to do a single crochet around it or put whatever border you would like on yours, you sure can. I'm just going to weave in my ends here and call it good. And then I will show you a picture of the 3 completed, the 3 cottage cloths completed, so that you can see what it looks like if you have 3 matching colors that you could possibly gift to somebody. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for next Friday when I will show you the stitch in the round. And until next time, guys, I appreciate you.